So, you're planning your dream vacation or perhaps a much-needed getaway, and you're wondering if your trusty Zippay can come along for the ride. Can Zippay be used overseas? Let's find out. Zippay has become a popular choice for Australians looking to spread out the cost of purchases. It's a convenient way to shop online or in-store, but what happens when you cross the border? Can you still use Zippay to make purchases in other countries? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Zippay is primarily designed for domestic use within Australia. While it's a fantastic tool for local shopping, it's not currently equipped to handle international transactions. There are a few reasons for this limitation. One is the currency exchange rates. Zippay is tied to the Australian dollar, and converting transactions to foreign currencies can introduce complexities and potential fees. Additionally, international payment systems often have different security protocols and regulations that Zippay may not be fully compatible with. Exploring alternatives. While Zippay might not be an option overseas, there are other payment methods you can consider. Here are a few popular alternatives. Credit cards. Credit cards are widely accepted in most countries and often offer travel benefits like points or miles. However, be mindful of interest rates and fees if you carry a balance. Debit cards. Debit cards are a convenient way to access your funds directly from your bank account. They can be used for both online and in-store purchases. Travel money cards. These prepaid cards can be loaded with foreign currency before you travel, eliminating the need for currency exchange at ATMs. They often have lower transaction fees than credit cards. Digital wallets. Mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay offer a contactless payment solution that can be convenient for overseas travel. Tips for traveling with Zippay. Even though you can't use Zippay directly overseas, there are still ways to leverage it for your travel plans. Here are a few tips. Prepay your trip. Use Zippay to purchase flights, accommodation, or other travel expenses before you leave Australia. This can help you manage your budget and potentially earn rewards. Consider a travel loan. If you need a larger sum of money for your trip, explore the possibility of a travel loan. You can use Zippay to make repayments on the loan, spreading out the cost over time. Check with your bank. Before you travel, contact your bank to inform them of your travel plans. This will help prevent any fraudulent activity on your accounts and ensure that your cards are authorized for international use. So, while Zippay might not be your go-to payment method for overseas adventures, there are plenty of other options available. By understanding the limitations of Zippay and exploring alternative payment methods, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.